Browning butter is like petting a cat. Do it right. It's all purrs in heaven until you push your luck and it turns on you with zero warning.
And I'm going to put this in the pan. And I'm going to put this on a medium heat. And I'm going to let this melt. And I'm starting off with more butter than I need for the recipe because there's water in butter. And depending on the butter you're using, it's going to evaporate. So I'm hoping to end up with exactly a half. Sometimes it might be a little over. Sometimes it might be a little under. If it's over, just don't use it. If it's under, it's okay to add just a little bit of regular melted butter to get it to the half a cup. And the best way to deal with browning butter is to swirl it. Don't really need to stir it. See, it's changing color already. It's still bubbling. And those bits down there, the white that's down there, that's the stuff that's going to brown. So you want to keep moving that around so the whole thing is even. And when I'm turning that like that, I'm also checking to see how brown it is because you want to make sure that you're right at, see, this is turning brown here. So let's give that a shot. And now it's starting to turn brown. So we're going to just poof. And see, you can see the brown. That's beautiful. I like that golden. I just want taste for this. I don't want to take that any further. You can take this a little bit darker, but that is perfect. So I'm going to pour this very carefully into this glass measuring cup. And it's poofy and bubbly right now. And you see all these brown yumminess? Don't leave that in your pan. That is your taste. That is just, don't ever leave. Oh, that's just beautiful. Oh, it's just gorgeous. It's golden brown and it's perfect for this cake. So we're going to stir that just a little bit and we're going to let that sit, and eventually we'll know if we have our half a cup and what we need to do with it. We've got 5, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 more. Let's make this cake the most amazing thing to add flavor steps to go.
Ready for seconds? Don't put your spoon down yet. Tap this video and Renee will meet you there.